Ndiyabulela kumkani ndiyabulela mfundisi ndibulele ifamily and all members who are here today. I came to just pay my respect to the family and to all the victims of the floods in Umtata. And when we were told that one of the victims is being buried today, we thought it was important to just show face and say, Tukumama, you are not alone. We are with you. And we are going to support all the victims of these floods. Government has taken out more than $1 billion to deal with these floods. But we know Eastern Cape, if we don't pay attention to that billion, it's going to disappear within a week. So we as the EFF must make sure that money is used correctly and is used for the victims of the floods and to fix the infrastructure. We are going to go to all centers where the victims of floods are staying to see what we can do to improve their situation. Many of them are school children. They don't have uniform. Their clothes were washed away by the water. So we need to make a plan to give them uniform and give them proper clothes. Some, their furniture is gone. Some, their houses have collapsed. All of those people, their names must be properly captured and government must build proper houses for those people and restore their dignity. So we are here to say to government of the Eastern Cape and the national government, we are following the money and we want to make sure that the money is used correctly to deal with the pain of the people of Eastern Cape. So once ukumkana tetile, I can't say much except to say we are here as the EFF. Even when we leave, every family that has got bereavement, we have things that we live with them, not because we'll bring back the life of the young one, but because we are saying to the family, we are with you. I don't know how it feels, Mama, to bury your own child. I'm sure you had many expectations, especially for a young man who was disciplined and was a student, did not die of Nyaupe. You were looking forward to this child improving this family, and were unfortunately met by this situation. We are saying to you, Mama, and the family, do not lose hope. Let's continue to hold it together. One day our dignity will be restored. When I was entering here, I was saying to Kumkan, look at the roads of Eastern Cape. Of the whole, I traveled the whole South Africa and the whole world except UK where they banned me now, and America. I've never seen a place with worse roads like Eastern Cape. It's as if this place has not given birth to Nelson Mandela, O.R. Tambo, Chris Hani, Winnie Mandela, Govan Mbeki, and many others. So this place has been neglected. And we need to make sure that we fight for the people of Eastern Cape. That's why the people will be washed away. More than 100 people died because the infrastructure is not in good condition. So we must fight to make sure that we build a proper infrastructure in the Eastern Cape and make sure the government of the Eastern Cape does the right thing. We want proper roads, we want water, we want electricity, we want schools where our people stay. We want clinics, we want shopping complexes so that we don't have to relocate from where we stay to stay next to town because we want access to the shops and job opportunities. So we as the EFF, you know us much better. When we say we are going to make sure this is done, it will be done accordingly. Let the money be used right for the people of Umtata, for the victims, and for the improvement of the infrastructure. So all of us who are here today, please let's support this family. You can imagine what they are going through. And by your coming here, you are simply saying to them, you are not alone. This came as a shock to all of us. And to the schoolmates, to the church, please be strong. Be strong not only for him, but for all the victims. And the church must continue to pray so that we don't have a similar occurrence in the future. We don't want to see it happening again. This is bad enough. We cannot be subjected to this drama. Rest in peace, young men and family. Please receive our condolences. Thank you very much.
Good evening and welcome to Ghetto Fame TV Network. If you haven't yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do so. This is to help our channel to grow. Yeah, sad news indeed. The floods that is taking over at Eastern Cape is really affecting the families, leaving them with nothing and also taking the loved ones away. So let us get into it. CIC EFF leader Sello Julius Malema and Eastern Cape Chief Dalindyebo, they went to the family of Siyavuya Mtantsane, a 14-year-old boy who was swept away by the floods at R61 bridge. This is after the bus that he was with, that was carrying 13 learners, they died in the bridge there. So the family went to this family to pay their condolences. Julius Malema went to this family to pay his condolences. So among the speech there, he was talking about the government of GNU, that they have taken out billions to assist there in Eastern Cape. And then he said he will make sure that that money is going to work towards assisting the community there in Eastern Cape, because we know that this government is really throwing money, not helping people there. So I think even if sometimes we don't like Julius Malema, or we don't see things the way Julius Malema he sees them, but among the leaders that we have in South Africa, this is the leader that we will never forget, because he is really fighting for the community. So I hope that money, it will really work for the community and assist them in all their needs. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and comment down below.